Alright, Bon Jovi's always guitar solo. Alright, what he's doing, he slides up to the 6th fret on the D string, then a hammer on from the 4 to 6 on the G string, then 4 to 6 on the D string. Then again, hammer on the 4 to 6 on the G string, and then 4 to 6 on the D string. Then he goes to the 4th fret on the D string, holds that bend, release it onto the 2, back to the 4 on the D, and then 2 on the A string. So all together slow, sounds like this. One more time. If you're getting value out of this lesson, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, then what he does, he slides up to the 4th fret on the low E, then 2-4 on the A, 2 on the D, 2 quick bends with vibrato on the 4th fret of the D string, pulls off to the 2, and then 4-2-4 on the A. And he does that twice. Then back to the 2 on the D, then he pulls off on the 4th fret to the 2nd fret on the D string, to the 4th on the A. Then back to the 2nd fret on the D string, then pulls off from the 4 to the 2 on the D, back to the 4 on the D. Now I'm going to play everything from the low E up to that point slowly. One more time. Then 14. Hammer on to the 14th. Then back to the 12th. And to the 9th. To the 7th. Back up to the 12, back to the 9, back to the 7. So it sounds like this. Then he goes to the G string, holds that bend on the 11th fret, release it to the 9, and then back to the 11. So it looks like this. And then I'll hold that bend on the B string with vibrato. Slides up to the 14th fret, then 12 and 12 double stop, back to the 14, so that a little bit, then double stop on the 12 and 12 on the B and E, hammer on to the 14th on the B, and then 12 on the B, and 13 on the G. Do that twice. 12 on the E, play that 2 times, then 13th on the G string, and 12 and 14 on the B, then 12 on the high E, on the 14th fret on the high E, release it to the 12, and then 14 on the high E. Then a 1.5 step bend on the 14th fret, whole step bend on the 14th fret, and then the 12th fret on the high E, and then the 14th fret on the B. If you're enjoying this content, I'll put a card up there that you can enjoy that's doing pretty well if you want to check that one out. And I'll see you in the next one.